Good morning, students. Ninth standard first biology lesson, we are going to start the fundamental unit of life. So, this lesson heading itself, you can understand what is the meaning of this lesson. The basic, fundamental means the basic unit of life. So, now you are studying all ninth standard. When you are entering school, all you are started the classes LKG. So now you've grown up to ninth standard, you are studied, your age nearly 13, 14, that like. So you've grown. How you grown? When you enter the LKG class, that time all you are very small babies. Now slowly you grown. How you grown? That only this fundamental unit of life. So the cells. So basically cells only. First you are young newborn baby. After that, slowly grown 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month. Next, you grown. After completed 3 years, you join the school. So now you are studying ninth standard. So how you are grown? So the basically example 1 year, your age is 1 year. That time you have 1 lakh cells. Counting the number of cells, you have 1 lakh cells. At present, you are studying ninth standard. So now your age is 13 to 14. So this age you have 14 lakh cells. Example, approximately I am saying. So this one grown cell to cell growth. So the old cells replaced. Each cell have some lifetime. After that it will die. Next grown new cells. When you are eating, you are getting energy. That like the cells also developing in your body. So first we are seeing this lesson. The who found the cell? In 1665, Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke only first found this cell. How he found means he taken small onion peel. You know very well onion. Onion peel taken and used microscope. After finding the microscope, he used to keep under the microscope. He find this like building block like structures. This only called cells. So these rectangle, the hexagonal shape have no, that one is a cells. Inside have dot, that one is nucleus. So this only fundamental of basically the cell. Next, what are the structure? What is the cell structure? So the cell structure is have many parts. So I will draw and explain these cells. So basically cells have two types of cells. One is animal cell, another one is plant cells. That don't have some similar differences. So first one I am going to explain plant cell. This is plasma membrane or cell membrane. This part is cell membrane or plasma membrane. Cell membrane or plasma. This is, and this one is present cell wall. This one present only in plant cells. This outer layer is cell wall. This one present only in plant cells. Animal cells don't have cell wall, have only cell membrane. The cell membrane work is very major role in the cell body, because what are the materials entered? Example, we are breathing. So breathing time, inhaling all the gases and exhaling other than oxygen. Oxygen alone observing inside our lungs. So this cell membrane allowing means only will go inside all the food materials. So this one filter and sending. So next one is nucleus. This is major role in the cell. How in our body have brain. So in our head inside only have the brain. That brain only controlling all the organelles. What the order giving the brain, that like only working remaining all the organelles. So that like only here cell head is nucleus. Nucleus what order is giving, that only remaining parts will work. So center of the cell is present this nucleus. This outer layer is nuclear membrane. This one is nuclear membrane. This one is nuclear membrane. Next, inside have nucleolus. This one is nucleolus. Nucleolus. Next, we have chromatin reticulum. These spindle thread-like structures. This name is chromatin reticulum. Chromatin reticulum. And inside dots, that liquid like have, this one is nucleoplasm. So this nucleus part is major role in the cell structure. Nucleus only controlling whole organelles of the cell. Next, chromatin endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum only sending the organelles plasma membrane to nucleus. So nucleus getting nutrition from this endoplasmic reticulum only. This one have two types of endoplasmic reticulum. One is smooth wall endoplasmic reticulum. Another one is rough endoplasmic reticulum. So this one attached in the nuclear membrane. This one is smooth wall endoplasmic reticulum. This one is rough endoplasmic reticulum. This one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This one is rough endoplasmic reticulum. I am writing short form. So this one is major role. This only communicating with endoplasmic cell membrane to nucleus. So cell membrane only allowing the food materials inside the cell. So this way entering the food and reaching nucleus. So nucleus collecting the food and supplying remaining cell organelles. So here major role is nucleus. Nucleus only control all the cell organelles. So this plasma membrane way only entering food materials. Next, mitochondria. You know very well mitochondria is Mitochondria. Mitochondria is a powerhouse of the cell. So you know very well how getting power. We are getting power through power station to transformer, transformer to home. So that like this mitochondria is powerhouse. So this only supplying power of the other cell organelles. So what food materials we are eating, that food materials change into energy, convert into food materials, convert into energy and giving energy to the other cell organelles. So here mitochondria also major role in the cell part. Another one is plastids. Cell wall, first one given cell wall. Cell wall is major, and the next one is nucleus. Third one is and this cytoplasm. Cytoplasm means this inside the plasma membrane. This inside the plasma membrane, what are the organelles present? This only cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, plastids, Golgi complex, ribosomes, lysosome, vacuoles, these all present inside these. Vacuole means large empty place in plant cell. This only vacuoles. This large, this is vacuoles, empty place. And the plastids. Plastids means plastids is very major role. The plants preparing their own food. So the leaves have these chlorophyll cells, that only these plastids. Chlorophyll cells. Plants have the chlorophyll cells, that only plastids. So this only helping to preparing the food through the photosynthesis. So all green plants. These plastids only giving the green color in plants. So these plastids is major role to preparing their own food, all green plants. You know very well some croton plants also have to see in some parks. So that plants have many colors, yellow, green, red, that like have many colors have in single leaf. So that leaf which place have the green color, they are only present in these plastids. So remaining colors only attracting the insects and attracting the attracting the pupils. Colorful flowers, colorful leaves only attracting the insects to help the pollination, cross pollination. Already you studied in lower classes, cell pollination and cross pollination. Cell pollination means the pollen grains flow on the same plant or another flower of the same plant, that only cell pollination. Cross pollination means same type of plants, one plant to another plants, to helping to improving the yield. That purpose using insects, waters, or some organelles, animals. This like so this plastids is very major role to preparing the own food of the green plants. So this is the major different. These plastids don't have in animal cells. So some important differences between plant cells and animal cells. Animal cells don't have this cell wall. the cell wall don't have in animal cells, and these plastids also don't have in animal cells. And another one is these vacuoles, 2 or 3 only have large vacuoles have in plant cells, but animal cells have very small vacuoles have more. So and another one is animal cells have lysosomes, plant cells don't have that lysosomes. So lysosomes work is major role, you know very well. The blood cells and all the blood cells, even that red blood cells, 90 days. The lifetime is 90 days. White blood cells lifetime is 120 days. After that, that maturity got the maturity means these lysosomes cut and killing these cells. Next will form new cells. When we are eating the food, that all the food materials using, one part is using as energy, another one part is using your growth, increasing the number of cells and increasing the number of body cell and blood cells also. So the young cells will produce more, the old cells will destroy in our body part of liver part. So they are only killing the lysosomes, that major role doing these lysosomes. So these are the cell organelles present in the, this one present in this cell is plant cell. So this only simplest diagram, but in your book given this like, so that is easiest way you can draw, but this one somewhat tough, you have to draw. So another one is Golgi apparatus. This one present in both plant cell and animal cell. This one is the tough molecules will change into easiest molecules, the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus present both plant cells and animal cells. This work is the endoplasmic reticulum, observing the nutrients, the tough molecules. This one will change into simplest sugars. So this only major part in this lesson. So this lesson is over. All you have to study and read this lesson fully, and the question answers you have to prepare. I will show the number of pages. These cells, nerve cells, ovum, sperm, blood cells, smooth muscle cells. These cells given in your book. Okay, another one important question. Prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. What is the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic? Prokaryotic means the cells don't have clear nucleus. The cells, the example bacteria, fungi, some microorganisms don't have clear nucleus, someone don't have nucleus. That only called prokaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells means these plants are like clear nucleus. Nucleus have all the parts of the cell. So these like matured all organisms like all plants and animals have this like full structure of this nucleus. That only differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic. So here major difference here given in your book. The prokaryotic cell generally small, size is 1 to 10 nanometer. Nanometer means 1 nanometer means is 10 power minus 6 m. Eukaryotic cell is generally large, 5 to 100 nanometer. Next here you want to fill prokaryotic cell nuclear region dash and known as dash. Eukaryotic region is nuclear region well defined and surrounded by a nuclear membrane. Here don't have clear nucleus organelles don't have not present in all the organelles of the nucleus. Next chromosome is single chromosome. Prokaryotic cell is single chromosome. Here more than one chromosome. Eukaryotic cells more than one chromosome. And prokaryotic membrane bound cell organelles absent. Here present in the cell organelles. Membrane means this nuclear membrane. This nuclear membrane have nucleolus, and this chromatin reticulum means have many chromosomes. Inside have more chromosomes. Prokaryotic cell have only one chromosome. Eukaryotic cells have more chromosomes. Nuclear membrane also present, and all organelles present in this nucleus in eukaryotic cells. But prokaryotic cells don't have these all organelles. So that's all this lesson. You have any doubt means you have to send my WhatsApp number 9424962233. This number all you can study and write the book back exercises. And you have any doubt means write and send my WhatsApp this number. All come and get your textbook. Now textbook is now all the textbooks is available. You can get the textbook means only easily you have to able to study. So inform your parents. All you can come and get your textbooks. You can pay the stationery fees and get the textbook. Thank you all.